Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x20 straight deck utility trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as the breakaway box. There are tie down points along the corners and side of your utility trailer. We have a tire mount at the front passenger side. This trailer does have diamond plate fenders. There is a heavy duty loading ramp on this trailer, as well as LED brake lights. There is corrosion repair paint as well. There are 5200K axles on 15-inch rims and wheels. We do have pressure treated wood flooring. Once again, this is a 7x20 straight deck utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.